Welcome back to another video, boys and girls, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get Steam level 2 in 5 minutes. Yes, this is not a scam, this is nothing like that. It's basically you just leveling up, and easy. What levels up do is basically helps you get more friend slots. It can give you like artwork like this, as you can see on the screen right now. That's my profile, that's what it looks like, and I do have like some item showcases and stuff like that. But yeah, you can show your artwork and all that stuff, but you need to be level 10, I think. So yeah, I'm only going to be showing you how to get to level 2 today. So yeah guys, just before the video starts, I just want to say thank you for all the recent support. We're so close to reaching 800 subscribers, which is just freaking insane. Let's see if we can reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. If we can, I'll be so happy, not even gonna lie. But yeah, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new YouTube video. I usually upload my videos every 2 or 3 days, and I do tutorials, FPS hacks, boosts, all that stuff. Basically just tutorials for gaming and stuff like that. So yeah guys, let's get straight onto the video. So what you want to do guys is go to Google, type in Steam, and basically click on the first link, and after you've done that, go to your profile. As you can see, this is my profile. I'm on another account right now because for some reason when you go into the app it doesn't show this. But yeah, you click up here. As you can see already, I'm level 16, I have badges and all that stuff. So click there, then you scroll down a bit, you find the community leader thing, and basically after you found it, it says that you get 500 XP, which is enough to get you to level 2. So what you want to do, the first thing is view a broadcast. So what you want to do is go into the app, then go into broadcasts, community, and then the fourth option down. Click on any one of these and watch for like 2 or 3 minutes, and it should be completed. The next thing is add a friend on your friend list. So what you want to do is basically go to home, community, then home, and then type in whatever you want. I'm just gonna type in just a random thing I thought of. As you can see, there's loads of people there. Click on a random profile, then click add friend. So yeah guys, that's another task completed. What you want to do next is post a screenshot. So how you do this guys is basically you want to go into a game and click F12, the key on your keyboard, F12, and it should be screenshotted. After that, after you've done that, basically go to your library, click library, then click home, then click on whatever game you went in, click it, then you should see some screenshots. Let them load, give them a second. After it's loaded, click on this little icon on top and click upload, and it should be done. As you can see, I have loads and loads and loads of screenshots. Let's just wait for it to load. I have 280 screenshots, which is a lot. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is subscribe to an item in a Steam workshop. So how you do this is you basically go to the workshop, you find an item that you like, and you basically just click this button, this little subscribe button. I'm gonna unsubscribe because I've already completed this thing. But yeah, the next thing is set your real name on your community profile. So how you do this is go to your fourth option, then click profile, wait for it to load, click on edit profile, and put your real name in. Put like whatever your real name is, blah 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 blah, and then go down to the bottom of the page and click save. You can remove your name after you've done that. I already done that because I don't want my real name being on my Steam profile. So yeah. The next thing is comment on friend's profile. How you do this is basically you go to your profile, wait for it to load, then you go down, scroll to your friends list, and you can go on whoever's profile you want and scroll down, and after you've done that, just type in wherever, type in hi or type in plus rep anything, and then click post comment, and it should be completed. The next thing is comment on a friend's screenshot. How you do this is you basically go to the profile again, then you click on the screenshots tab, you click on one of the screenshots, wait for it to load, then you click whatever you want, you put whatever you want and post it, and you can even rate it if you want. I will. So yeah. Next thing what you want to do is use your Steam emoticon in chat. How you do this is go to your friends list, then click on whoever's friend you want, click on message, and then click on this little smiley icon right there and post, like not post but send one of these. I'm gonna send this one. and just click enter and the task should be completed. The next thing is make a trade. How you make a trade is go to the profile, right click on the name, offer a trade, then you put whatever your items that you want from them. Like for example, I'm gonna go into Team Fortress 2 or CSGO. I'm gonna go into CSGO, put like hold the item, drag it, and it should be all good. Click this and yeah, it should be all good. The next thing you want to do is use the Steam Discovery queue. This is one of the easiest in my opinion. So what you want to do is basically go to the store, and then you have the second option down which is Discovery queue. Click on this, then basically what you want to do is just you have to click next, continue 11 times, and after you've done this you're gonna see a button that says finish, blah blah blah, all of this stuff, finish, and yeah, that challenge should be completed. As you can see, I finished it, and there we go. Okay, so what you want to do the next is play a game. This is pretty self-explanatory. What you want to do is go into any Steam game, preferably CSGO, Dota 2, because I'm 100% sure they will work on those two because it's a Valve game. So yeah, go to CSGO, Dota 2, and you can go in every other game. I'm not sure if you can or not. But yeah, and this challenge should be completed. Poster video is a bit more complicated, so I'm not gonna show you how to do that because you only need to complete like 12 out of all of these. So yeah, set a profile background, which is pretty easy. Go to your profile. You do need to buy the background for this, or you can get it by unlocking a badge. Then go to your edit profile, then go to profile background, and you can just click on whatever one you want. I'm gonna click on this, then you can click full screen or original size, then click save. And now as you can see, my profile background has changed. If you don't like the way it looks, then you can go to profile background again, click on whatever one you want, then click save, go to your profile, and it should be good to go. The next thing you want to do is rate content in activity feed. This is the easiest one, the second easiest one actually. So what you want to do is basically go to the where it says your name, click on activity, wait for it to load. After it's loaded, find any ones like you can find any artwork or anything in here and just rate it up. You can rate up your ones as well. I'm gonna do that. As you can see, I rated mine up, and yeah, that challenge should be completed. Next thing you want to do is craft a game badge. This is one of the hardest ones just because you need to actually waste money on this, and yeah. So what you want to do is basically click on badges. Then you're gonna be able to see how many cards you have and all that stuff. You need to get all the cards for this, and after you've done that, basically click craft badge, and it'll give you a few free items, and it'll give you some XP which will help you level up. As you can see, I need 2 more cards to complete Team Fortress 2, I need 3 more cards to complete ZELOTES badge, and I need 4 more cards to complete the Kunai badge. So you can craft the same badge over and over and over again. I think you can do it up to 6 times, I'm not 100% sure, so yeah. Next thing you want to do is search a Steam discussion. So how you do this is basically go to the community tab, click on discussion, and then just search in anything. I'm gonna type in CSGO, click enter, and you should be able to see your games right here. Click on it and just spend some time in here, just comment on people's posts, stuff like that. And after you've done that for like 2 or 3 minutes, the task should be completed and you're good to go. The next thing you want to do is add the game to your wishlist. This is also pretty easy. So what you want to do is go to the store, click on featured, wait for it to load, of course. Okay, after it is loaded, click on any random game. I'm gonna click on Counter-Strike Source, and basically just click add to your wishlist, and you should be able to see it right here on the top right corner. As you can see, I already have some games that I wanna play later in my wish list. Some of these are free, some of these are paid. As you can see, this one's paid. I'm probably not even gonna buy this because I don't like this game anymore. So yeah, you can remove it by clicking remove on the bottom and then click OK, and then you should be good to go. The next thing you wanna do is review a game. This is pretty easy. So what you wanna do is basically go to your library, and then when you're in your library, if you haven't reviewed the game, you should be able to see like a review button down here. As you can see, I've already reviewed it, and yeah, if you go to your profile, you should be able to see what reviews you have done and all that stuff. As you can see, I've done loads of reviews because I just like to leave positive feedback. As you can see, I only have one bad because Destiny 2 is kind of boring, not even gonna lie, but yeah, I'm trying to be positive about every single game I play. So yeah guys, and then that's another challenge completed. So what you want to do next is rate an item in a workshop. This is pretty easy. So as I already said before, go to home, go to community, then go to, wait for it to load. After it's loaded, click on whichever one you want, click this view page, click on any artwork you want, click it again, and then basically just click like, and you should be good to go. The only reason I'm not able to like this because it's a World War II game and I don't own it. So yeah, Call of Arms is called, the game is called Call of Arms if you're wondering. So yeah, next thing you want to do is set an avatar to your community profile. How you do this is basically go to your profile, then click edit profile, then after that go to the section option which says avatar, and then you can either upload your own, click on upload avatar, and then this thing will pop up, or you can click see all, and you can have these ones which are just like basically custom. And yeah, loads of people do have this. So yeah, if you want to have your unique one like I do, you can just go on Google, right click on it, save image as, and then just upload it here. The next thing that you want to do is join a group. This is also pretty easy. Basically go to your thing where it says your name, go to groups. Sometimes it will give you an error, so you have to try and do it again. Okay, as you can see now, it did it. Now click find a group, type in whatever you want. I'm gonna type in meme, and as you can see there's loads of groups. You can just click it, then click join group. I've already joined this group. So yeah, now that this task is completed, what you want to do next is post a status to your friends. So what you have to do here is basically go to your activity feed, and then just basically say hi and post. Okay, it needs to be at least 3 characters long. Click type in hey, and you posted it. This is basically your status. So yeah, now that you've completed this, what you want to do is feature badge on your profile. How you do this is basically you go to your profile, then you go to edit profile, then you go to featured badges, and you can pick from any of these badges. You probably have more or less than me, depends how long you've been on Steam. If I'm gonna click the Kanai one, then I'm gonna click save, and as you can see it displays on your profile. Or if you don't want to have a badge, then you can just remove it afterwards. But yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now that you've completed that, the next one is try out the community market. You do need to spend some money on this, but yeah, so basically what you want to do is go to community, then go on market, and basically just buy some stuff and just like search stuff and just discover basically. Like as you can see, if you can find the cheapest skins, go from like click this button up here and it's gonna give you one of the cheapest skins. You can go on to CSGO, then click search, and then as you can see it's gonna give me some really cheap skins. 0.03, there's a knife here which you probably won't buy because it's really freaking expensive, then skin for this and skin for the MP5. So yeah, now that that's done, you can go to your profile again, and you basically completed all of those. Then what you want to do if you want to get even higher level is basically gem maker. So how you get the gem maker badge is basically go to your inventory and click on whatever, like go to Steam and then click on whatever item you don't want, and as you can see there's an option that says turn into gems. You click that and then you click OK, and it's gonna turn into gems. You can see I already have 420 and 286 gems. Some of them might not be tradable for some time, but as you can see these 420 gems is gonna be tradable tomorrow at 8 o'clock. So yeah, now that you've had that badge, you should be like over like level Steam 5. So yeah guys, if this video has helped you in any way, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, share this video with all of your friends if you can. Go follow my TikTok, go follow my Instagram, my Twitch, all of that stuff guys, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new YouTube video. And you can stay in contact with me if you need any help on my Instagram on my Twitch. You can contact me on Steam. I'm gonna leave my Steam profile down in the description. If you want to gift me something, you can, you don't have to. But yeah, comment plus rap. If you do, I will comment it back on your Steam profile, and I'm gonna try and add as many of you guys back. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the post for notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Like it, comment, share, all that good stuff. And yeah guys, see you in the next one.
Bitch, I'm not good for like I walk a walk. I'm telling your bitch that he like I'm a toilet. Walk with the Glock, I'm a fucker about. Throw the boy out with his head, we play soccer.